What's up, Skibbity Sigmas? Today we're going to be doing the biggest explosion. Our game's already lagging, oh my god. Moses? Okay, wait. Flashing. My god, my game. Yeah. No, you just turn it off and turn it back on. That's what my thing did. Mine's flashing with this white thing. Yeah, that's what it does. That's what it did for me. So guys, that's it for today. We just crashed our game. Yeah, my game's proper not responding. I'm trying to walk right now. I'm recording now.